Hello friends and welcome to Art with Miss R. Today we are going to be working on our folded surprise drawing. And if you don't know what a folded surprise drawing is, that's okay because we're going to make one together. If you've made one in the past, you are one step ahead because you already know how to fold the paper. So for this project you will need a few materials. You will need a piece of paper that is already folded, or if you haven't folded it yet, I will do a quick demonstration before we start drawing. We are also going to need a pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can easily erase it. And you will also need coloring materials, including marker, colored pencil, crayons, anything you have at your house. So we are going to quickly fold our paper together. If you already have your paper folded, you can skip ahead. Okay, friends, so for our paper, we are going to need a full sheet, making sure that it is either lined or unlined. It can even be a colored sheet of paper, whatever you have. We're going to start by putting one hand at the top. Our second hand is going to go at the bottom, and we're going to fold the paper so that our fingers touch. We're going to line up the corners as best as we can and crease it. Now we have something that looks like a book or a card. We're going to turn our book / card into a taco. So the bottom of the taco is going to be the crease. The sides of the taco are going to be the flaps. Our other hand that is not holding our piece of paper at the bottom is going to close the top of the paper. And we are going to bend the paper so that the top of the taco touches the bottom of the taco and crease. Now we have something that looks like a burrito. Yum, 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 yum. So after you have your burrito, I would like you to look at it from the side. You'll notice on one side we have two flaps, and the other side we have our crease. So when you press on it, it kind of looks like an oval. One hand is going to hold the creased side of the paper. The other hand is going to locate not the top flap, but the bottom one. Once you have located that, we're going to press it down so that it's touching the hand that's holding the paper, and then my thumb is going to lift out and up to hold it down. Then we stand up the top flap, and there is your piece of paper ready to go for our folded drawing. If you hold it at the top, and then your other hand brings it up and down, that means that your paper is folded correctly and you are ready to move on to the next step. Congratulations, you have finished your directive drawing, and now you get to add some adjectives on the inside. Or another way to say adjectives would be words that describe who you are on the inside. So here I have the drawing that I did today in my video, and on the inside, when you open it up, we're going to see who you are behind the mask. So with the mask on, you can't really see who you are because it's kind of covering up part of your face, but who you are on the inside is what counts. So we're going to be adding descriptive words that describe who you are, your personality. So we have friendly, kind, funny, whatever words you can come up with for your drawing is completely up to you. You can also add color and make it super, super fun. I hope you had fun, friends. See you next time.